Hey, hi everyone, hope you're all doing great. Yeah, cheers for clicking on the video. You join me and the dogs today as we're heading up to Scotland to go and visit Fiona's house in Walkerburn. Beautiful little village in the Tweed Valley. The next stop's Preston, and we'll be catching the Trans-Pennine Express from Preston up to Edinburgh Waverley, then down from Waverley to Galashiels. Yeah, so you fancy coming? Come on then.
Yeah, so welcome to Edinburgh.
So I'm here with Fiona near Sturchley. We're heading over to a secret waterfall. Kirk. This stone here looks like it could have been on the top of the original church, or the kirk that was here.
Help! Help!
Fiona's been naughty. So this is known as a jowl. This is a genuine one. Unable to walk anywhere. Chained to the church. So it's believed that this yew tree here is 1,500 years old. And you can see how it's swallowing up the graves. Horseshoe, so it probably would have been the gravestone to a farrier. A learned gentleman, right, because he's there reading a book.
That almost looks like a pink lady.
So just adjacent to the old kirk, this lovely orchard, all these different varieties of apples. See how the tree's just literally grown straight through the fence. So this was the rose garden to the estate. All that's left is the perimeter that was planted in these beautiful yew trees. Yeah, so it's like all the yew trees are just growing up, forming like a ceiling, all joining together. Since anyone played tennis here. Another one of these like topiary balls here. It's completely wedged. I wonder what they used to grow through those. Kissing gate here. So we've returned to Minto with Rob from Rob's Urban Exploring. I'll leave the link in the channel description. Return Old Dairy, number 1. Yeah, not 1940s or something. Such a shame to see it just rotting away. So just take it inside, spray it with WD-40.
Miracle cure.
Yeah. Didn't people write in quills and like use feathers dipped in ink in the 1700s? When was the pencil invented? It's like somebody's been counting down the days. It's kind of like what you'd expect to see in a prison. He joined me and Fiona today over at Thornyleaf Forest, just opposite Eilbank Castle. And we're going to send the drone over and see if we can get some images.
Edinburgh and the Lake District. Once again, it's quite a large step down off the train onto the platform edge, so please take extra care.
Busy? What? No, don't talk to me, just send me with do not mention he's a later.
Yeah, so that's it from me. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one, yeah? Ta-ra.